Nature shows breed life of animals as every day, as every minute, a struggle to survive, minute to minute. When you look at animals in the background, they seem to be just living out their lives. They're exploring, they're cruising, playing, socializing, interacting. Of course, being on lookout for predators, ruining their day. But if life was simply to reproduce and make more copies of yourself, why don't you just screw out this little man and just spawn in the water like these clams? Why even think of living, process of living? But no, we have limbs. We have an urge to move and be free. We explore our environment. We build on information. In fact, if isn't a team, if are we products of our environment or just products of nature? But isn't it the environment that makes the species? In natural selection, new forms arise, older ones get selected out. These are plenty forms that have not been selected out. Might have more to do with population, more individuals, each one different, doing their own thing, trying to find their place, or make a place for themselves. And you think when things get tough, life will really advance. But it turns out, opposite is true. When things get easy, that's when life takes opportunity. And, and what about adapting to handicaps? And what about practice, development? Do that on and off genes. Can any of the progress be passed down? Could this be the actual selection? As defense gets stronger, so does attack, rendering the entire process of evolution redundant. Then again, many things developed for one purpose may have other functions that can be practiced. Many of the intellectuals are just downers. Their basis is whatever doesn't fit into their small little world. But come on, even dust and wind can become planets. Even dust and wind can become stars and planets. I mean, imagine somewhere out there in space, they actually found that flying spaghetti monster. I mean, plenty of flying spaghetti-like creatures here on Earth. And I think I saw in a science documentary that spaghetti grows on trees. So why can't a aerodynamic organism composed of spaghetti exist? And no, don't give me a reason to rule out this of a flying spaghetti monster, because that would actually defeat the purpose of the analogy that I can't prove there's not. But actually giving me a reason to rule out the existence would actually be reasoning beyond the fact that not just the fact that haven't seen one. Because that would make us human. Not just being conscious, having feelings. That's actually more common. You can see it in all other species, even lower, what considered fish and insects, lower animals. It's the ability to look beyond what we see, invent, have vector brain power, look beyond our environment, beyond our reality, without drugs,